Ah, look at that sunset. And we are indeed sailing away. Look at the length of this pier. Man, I came out and the walk was tremendous. I was like, nah, not doing it. Not today. So I went back on board, found myself a nice little spot on the pool deck in a nice comfy triangular enclave built just for, I guess, one or two. It's big enough for two. And I went to sleep. So gently, gently, ever so gently. You wouldn't even know if you didn't see it. We are back at sea, sailing into the Atlantic Ocean. My experience with the Valiant Lady, she has been a smooth operator. You hardly ever feel her moving. It's just been such an amazing experience. I don't want it to end. Yes, I love cruising, but this takes it to a whole nother level. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna have to figure out how to have me live on board. I could do it right here on the Valiant Lady.